before we dive into organizing and decluttering the drawers upstairs, I just wanted to show you guys the drawers downstairs, because in my last organizational video, I showed you guys how terrible these drawers were, where we got them to, and then after I finished that video, I ended up going and getting organizers to just finish off these drawers, and I also went and got some of that stuff that you lay down underneath things so that they don't slip around. And I am just so obsessed with how these drawers in my kitchen turned out, so I wanted to show them to you guys. In my last video you saw I also didn't have any Tupperware. I went out and fixed that problem. I have fantastic Tupperware now, and I also am now using this great solution for all my Tupperware lids. So anyways, now that we have a little more motivation, let's go upstairs and attack the drawers upstairs in my bathroom first, because these are just disgusting. This drawer has none of my active makeup in it actually, and it used to be well organized with these cardboard organizers. Here you guys can see in my very first video I showed you guys those, but Leon got in these drawers once he got old enough to attack them, and I haven't gone back and organized them yet. As you can see, I've just let everything slip into a very sorry state. Here is Elisha's drawer on the left-hand side, and under here looks really, really bad too. So it's time for a full facelift and declutter on this bathroom. Underneath the sink is actually pretty good, but there are still some things we can do to fix this as well. So I'm excited to get rid of stuff first. I'm going to start going through this drawer because it's the worst drawer, but it's also the drawer I know the best because it's all my stuff. And I'm going to start by taking everything out, and I'm just sorting it like that dry mascara bottle that I'm never going to use, so I can see what actually is even in this drawer. So here you can see everything from the top two drawers out on the counter, and ew, sorry, that's embarrassing how gross those drawers are. And then underneath here, you guys can see I took that stuff out as well. It's time to just declutter and get rid of things like this. It kills me when I see how much body spray is still in here, and I love the scent, but it's time to go in the trash. Same thing with this halfway full hairspray bottle. I just really need to keep the caps on these bottles apparently. So these are all things that go downstairs. I found them and they just need to go in a new place. I mean, we have supplements, we have essential oils, forks, pins, screws, you name it. It's in this little bowl, and it needs to go somewhere else. These are the items Elisha actively uses, so we're gonna keep all of those around. Garbage is where that hairspray and that bottle is. And then back here are my lotions and jewelry, which I obviously never wear because it's in a knot. It's time for this to go too. It's like a self-tanner lotion that I've had for 5 years, and I don't like it. These are things I do love over here. I wear eyeshadow about once a year, but it is nice to have for that. And I think most of these items I will actually end up keeping. Here, aside from the scissors, are things that I will be getting rid of. We have our fresh, clean drawers ready to fill. Now I didn't film this for you guys, but I'm going to show you guys the finished product, obviously. This is my drawer. I love how it turned out. I separated things in order of like kind. So here you could see I put all my eye things together, like eye drops, eyeliner, mascara, eyeshadow, all that stuff. I have my skincare in the middle. I have my face makeup, my lipstick, my earrings in that little vitamin holder, and bobby pins and hair stuff in that little can that I spray painted. Over here on Elisha's side are kind of the essentials that we both use. We share deodorant, and here's our toothbrushes, toothpaste, our brush, which we can never seem to keep a handle on, and Elisha's very small section of personal care items. On my side, underneath the drawers, I have all my extra makeup in that purple makeup bag. And then here on top, I have things that I'll access probably once a month. Bubble bath, face masks, deodorant, my one pad because I'm always pregnant, and a nail polish remover. Down below, I have my more toxic things like hairspray, self-tanner, some lotions again, perfume, and things I'll probably still be accessing once a month, but they're all really easy to see and I know what each bottle is. Underneath here, we really simplified things. I just have the hair cutting kit and Leon's toy boat for the tub. And then here is our first aid kit. So everything from safety pins to bandages that I put here in that little airing container. This is not really organized, but it's all categorized, and these are basically refills. So nails, toothpaste, hair gel, shampoo, these are all brands that we actively use, and I will just check here before I go and buy anything new. Like I mentioned before, I really liked under the bathroom sink, but we did declutter and threw away a lot of stuff actually, and was able to move that Lazy Susan back. This was probably one of the best organizational decisions I made last year, which was getting these command hooks to hang my rag and my hot tools. So moving on from the bathroom into my closet, which is a total disaster. My belly recently began popping out because of our new little baby on the way, and so a lot of these clothes just need to actually go into storage, and I don't have many things that fit me right now. I need to go outside and bring in some of my maternity clothes. So here I'm just sorting things into piles to get rid of, to keep, to pack, to give away, and different things like that. Leon, as you could see, is very actively helping me. Here's my pajamas, my underwear here on the bottom, and you could see the few items that I decided to keep. Here in the corner are shorts and yoga pants in boxes that Leon was playing in, so they're kind of a mess. And here are athletic t-shirts over there on that side. I ended up packing up this box. These are all things that need to go outside because they don't fit. I'm giving away that bag to Goodwill. Those are my sister's clothes and need to be returned. Shoes don't go in this closet, they go in a different one, and these bags need to go. Those are baby wraps right there. Here are dirty clothes. That's actually just a bag of the kids' outgrown clothes that I found in my closet. I found a helium tank. You never know what you're gonna find when you declutter. And here is some garbage. After I put those things away, this is what we were left with here in the closet. So moving on to my husband's closet that is in our bedroom. Here you could see he hardly has any clothes either. We apparently need to go shopping, or I just need to do the laundry in that overflowing laundry bin. And it just needs some help over here. So kind of like what I did in my closet, I'm just going to start by removing everything in his closet, including the library that he happens to have up here on the shelf. Found a bobby pin on the floor, so I put that in my hair. I also found here an earring, so I just decided to wear that for the second half of this video. And Leon is keeping himself busy crawling around that little shelf. Now that I can see what I'm actually dealing with, I'm going through and sorting books into books we are going to keep, and then books to get rid of or give back to their original owners. The fun thing about organizing and decluttering is that it really gets me motivated to just finish the job. So I decided to go ahead and iron Elisha's shirts so that he actually has some clothes to hang up in his closet, and I don't have to deal with this big ugly pile of unironed shirts. I eventually added a few more things into this closet that I decluttered from another closet, but you guys can see here it is just looking so much better. Moving on to the other closet in our room, as you can see, I have kind of a shoe fetish, and it's gotten out of hand. It's time to get rid of shoes that are ripped completely. Also shoes that I bought for a wedding that I'm honestly just never gonna wear again because they aren't my style, even though they were adorable for the wedding. One white flip-flop and one black flip-flop. And oh my goodness, I'm so glad I found that hat. It's been missing for forever. Those shoes look like grandma shoes. I never wear them, and these shoes are completely torn apart. As you can see, we made massive progress in the shoe department, and these are the shoes that I'm going to be getting rid of in this purge. These are the things that I'm going to be getting rid of. Overall, my house is literally 10 pounds lighter, and I am just feeling so much better because I know what is actually in my drawers and I know where to find what I need. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you and that it gave you a little motivation in 2019 to do and organize and declutter on your own house. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. I would love to have you guys in this new year. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you soon. Bye.